this is question 40 of civil engineering paper of K2016 forenoon session. The porosity and the degree of saturation of a soil sample are 0.7 and 40% respectively. In a 100 meter cube volume of the soil, the volume of air is. So, in this question, porosity and degree of saturation of a soil sample are given, which are 0.7 and 40% respectively. Now, for 100 meter cube volume of the soil, what will be the volume of air? We need to calculate it. So, this question is from the topic of three-phase system. You may study about three-phase system, this details of the terms like porosity, degree of saturation, void ratio in detail in lecture 6, three-phase system, soil mechanics, geotechnical engineering 1 by Professor Dilip Kumar Vaid, IIT Kharagpur. So, porosity is defined as the ratio of the volume of void in the sample to the total volume of the soil. That is volume of void to the total volume, and degree of saturation is defined as the ratio of volume of water to the volume of voids. So, degree of saturation tells how much percentage of void is filled with the water, and porosity tells about the volume of voids present in the total volume. So, as you can also see in this phase diagram, this is three-phase diagram, depicts the solids, water and air. So, now in this question, this porosity and degree of saturation is given. So, porosity, the value of porosity is given as 0.7. So, porosity is given as 0.7. So, porosity means the volume of void by total volume equal to 0.7. So, total volume here in this question, the total volume is given as 100 meter cube. So, it will be 100 equal to 0.7. So, now from here we can find the volume of voids. So, it will be 0.7 into 100. So, that will be 70 meter cube. So, now from this porosity value we got the volume of void. Now, degree of saturation is given as, here degree of saturation is given as 40%. So, degree of saturation is given as 40%. So, degree of saturation means volume of water by volume of void equal to 0.4. Now, volume of water divided by volume of void just we calculated, which is 70 meter cube. So, 0.4. Now, volume of waters comes here 70 into 0.4, that is 28 meter cube. Now, we know that void comprises of two components, the air and water. This air and water collectively called as voids. So, we know volume of air plus volume of water is known as volume of voids. So, total volume is volume of air plus volume of void. So, we need to calculate this volume of air VA plus VW, which is volume of water. So, just we have calculated, this is 28 is equal to volume of void. So, volume of void is 70. So, here from here we can get this volume of air as 70 minus 28. So, 70 minus 28 is 42 meter cube. So, from here we got the volume of air as 42 meter cube. So, we can say the volume of this air will be 42 meter cube. So, 42 is the correct answer for this question.